Hello, hi, I'm Samrat, founder of the Sales with Samrat community. I wish to tell you today about a basic foundation that many founders do not have before they start selling their product or service. And that's indeed the sales playbook. Sales playbook might sound some kind of a Bible that you carry with you while selling. No, it's not. It's a guide to you that you can use, you can tweak, you can accommodate. Has to be accommodative. The problem is when you're selling out, especially as a founder, you believe something because of your past experience that something should work in a particular way. If you've not been in sales earlier, your perspective is that this is obvious, it has to work like that. Yeah, there is a problem, I can solve the problem, so they have to buy from me. Well, it doesn't work like that. Just like you, there are thousands of options. Just like you feel you are the best suited to solve that problem, there are many others who feel that way, and probably they are also as good as you. You have your unique way. You need to find that way and communicate that way properly. And that is the whole game of a sales playbook. Or a founder-led sales is a slightly different sales from a normal sales. Even normal sales people need their playbooks, but they do have support of the company or training program and everything, all that keeps on going. They have tons of documents to refer to. Not that they refer to all the time, but they do have something to go back to. As a founder, you have to build your own sales playbook. And sales playbook consists of a lot of things like your identification of the pain problem that you're solving, the ICP, the ideal customer profile, the journey of the buyers, the stage of the buyer at which you are reaching out, the messaging that comes with it, the objection handling frameworks, the way you are going to progress in a particular sales call, the pricing strategy that you are going to adopt. And everything that is there in this is always flexible. It keeps changing and it should keep changing. But you need to have a base document. So that is where we come in. I come in to help you build your sales playbook. I'll be soon launching a course to help you build your sales playbook within 7 days. It will be coming soon. I'll be announcing it. Please join and have a look at it. Within 7 days, using the power of AI, I will help you build your sales playbook. Happy selling.